you're using words. But the thing about this world, Tommy, is that the only universal language is violence, and we've had that conversation. We've spoken that language in the past. It's over, Tommy. On to a new day, a new plot to destroy Manberg.
Technoblade, I'm gonna tell you one thing. One thing I went through was death. When you killed me, you think I was just gonna forget about it? You think I was just gonna walk away? You think I was just gonna walk away and just forget about it?
That was the whole.
I'll tell you something, Techno. I'll tell you something. All right. The same way you did it, I have a pickaxe, and I'll put it through your fucking teeth, Techno.
City of stars, are you shining just for me? City of stars, there's so much that I can't see. Who knows, I felt it from the first embrace I shared with you. That now our dreams, they finally come true. Stars, just one thing that everyone wants. There in the bars and through the smokescreen of the crowded restaurants. It's love, yes, all we're looking for is love from someone else. Oh, look in somebody's eyes to light up the skies, to open the world and send a reeling a voice that says I'll be here and you'll be alright. I don't care if I
Somebody better be dying.
I might as well be.
Ma? Why are you calling me this early on a Sunday?
I don't know. Why am I calling?
I don't know.
Well, I shouldn't have to be calling you today, but here we are.
Can you stop talking in backwards riddles and just tell me why you called?
I don't know. Maybe because it's the day you're supposed to be celebrating the fact that I had to put up with you for so many years?
What?
I can't believe I had to call you to tell me Happy Mother's Day.
It's 6 a.m., Ma, and I'm a ma too. Happy Mother's Day.
That's all I ask.
Hello?